Good afternoon, everybody. Really happy to be here speaking at the Impact Festival. For the next 15 minutes, I'll share a few thoughts about Patagonia, our 50th anniversary that we are celebrating the entire year, the journey we are on, our Not Mars campaign, what we can do together to save our home planet, and why we at Patagonia think that a focus on quality can save planet Earth. Yvonne Chouinard started Patagonia as a climbing equipment company, and that is really important because it's still in our DNA. And in climbing, you don't make product that is good, best, or better or best, because customer lives really depend on the quality of what you are doing. Failure is not an option. Our climbing foundation has been and continues to be a powerful influence in shaping Patagonia's values and relentless focus on quality. Patagonia began with a few high-quality, durable products that performed well in the natural world. Here on this picture, you can see a pair of shorts made in the early 70s out of 100% virgin cotton. These shorts were so stiff when they came off the sewing table that literally they stood up. And that's the reason why we call them stand-up short. We still make them. They are still in our collection in a slightly different quality, in a good way. And they are now made in a responsible way with 100% regenerative organic cotton certified. As the company grew, we needed a process for how we measure quality of what we are doing, including reducing the impact our clothing had on the environment. So we developed a product scorecard, and it works like this. We start with the ultimate score, a 10, and deduct points when a product falls short in any of the key questions. Some examples for questions that we are raising is it functional? Is it multifunctional? Is it durable? Does it cause any unnecessary harm? Any product below an 8, on the scorecard are either dropped or pushed to the next season until it's improved. A product that scores a 10 is when, and this is Yvonne Chouinard's words, maximum attention is given to product quality as defined by durability, minimum use of natural resources, multifunctionalism, non-obsolescence, and the kind of beauty that emerges from absolute suitability to task. Today, 50 years into the Patagonia experiment, our dedication to quality has not wavered and only become more expensive. Quality is not only about how a button stays on a shirt, it's also a whole way of doing business. Focusing on quality in whatever we do means quality in the way Patagonia takes care of its people and its customers. It means quality in the way it advocates for the cause it believes in, and quality in the way it accomplishes its mission of protecting and restoring the earth. If you want your products to have a good reputation, focus on making them with quality. If you want your company to have a good reputation, focus on taking care of people and build something that will last. Our standards for quality also apply to the stories we tell, whether that be in our stores, on our websites, in books, or in the films we make. We learned early on that creativity and powerful storytelling are essential in building awareness and urgency towards the environmental crisis. So is communicating to our customers as friends and equals, especially if we are to pursue them to take action to save the planet. We focus our storytelling around product activism, environmental activism, and the intersection of our core sports. And we don't embrace traditional marketing playbooks or formulas. The focus is not solely on ROI or standard marketing measurements. We are focused on a long-term success of the immeasurable, our reputation and credibility, and our mission to save our home planet. In 2018, sensing the urgency of the social and environmental crisis, we moved away from our old mission statement, build best product, cause no unnecessary harm, and use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. Changing our purpose to save our home planet raised the stakes, added a sense of urgency, exposed the need to do more than mitigate harm, and focused our energy on root causes over symptoms. Every part of our business today, including the values we create, is directly linked to our purpose. We have a long history of asking customers to think differently about the clothes they wear. The importance of choosing quality, buying only what they need, and repairing when necessary. In 2013, we launched Wohnwear. With that, you can see here on the slide. And that was during Fashion Week, emphasizing repair and responsible consumption along with selling used Patagonia product. Asking our customers to think before they consume. Do I really need this item? Can I buy this item used? Or can I sell it to someone else? How can I fix my existing item? We say repair is a radical act, but why? Because fixing something we might otherwise throw away directly opposes fast fashion's dependence on disposable product. We continue to believe one of the most responsible things we can do as a company is to make high quality that lasts for years and can be repaired so you don't have to buy more. We believe the best way to reduce the environmental and carbon footprint of one's clothes is to keep them in use longer by you or someone else. We've become a society of product consumers, not owners anymore. And there's a difference. Owners are empowered to take responsibility for their purchases, from proper cleaning to repairing, reusing, and sharing. Just you would like to do with your mountain bike, with your skis, or whatever. Consumers take, make, discard, and repeat. A pattern that is driving us toward ecological bankruptcy. What's the antidote? Making a dent in our collective consumption footprint will require shared responsibility between companies that make things, marketeers who market them, and customers who buy them. So let's all become owners, repairing what we have, then burdening the planet if we truly don't need to. The good news is that we see more customers engaging in repair behavior. At the moment, we repair about 200,000 pieces globally, and it's more than double than last year, and figures are still increasing. In addition to the number of repairs, our ultimate proof point is the joy and value our customers feel after their product has been fixed, and the gratification it gives our people after repair. A repair garment means the stories and adventures continue or can be passed down or passed along. A product with story is truly better than you. We also take repair on the road with our wallwear, tiny houses. Our tailors in the field, they can do most of the repairs regardless of brand and at no cost. And they are willing to teach customers how to repair and take care of their gear. Thank you. 50 years ago, Yvonne Chouinard started this experiment in being responsible business. And today, as the team at Patagonia looks towards the next 50 years, we are dead serious about addressing the environmental crisis. If we have any hope of a thriving planet, much less a thriving business, 50 years from now, it is going to take all of us doing what we can with the resources we have. Last September, the founders of Patagonia announced to the world that they were giving the ownership of the company and turning it over to a purpose trust to lock in the company values and a non-profit called the Holdfast Collective. Some people thought this was radical, but for those who know Yvonne, it was just a logic step for him. The heart of our impact is not the money we give away or the stories we share. It is the demonstration that business can and should live by its values and its purpose, rather than solely to earn a profit. With Earth Now, our only shareholder, every dollar that is not reinvested into Patagonia is distributed as dividend to projects for the planet. So what's next? Next is going purpose. Let's ditch growth for growth's sake and use the money we make to help restore and protect the earth. We aim to use resources we have, our business, our investment, our voice, and our imagination to save the planet. Next is the campaign we are running, celebrating our 50th anniversary. The campaign is about our vision of a healthy planet and people through sport activism and conscious consumption, inspiring us all to be better citizens. Next is simplicity. Simplicity refers to our products and the idea around conscious consumption, repairs, and reuse. By moving to regenerative capitalism, we can secure a future for everyone. Next is human-powered. Human-powered refers to our outdoor sports at the core of our brand and how they help connect us to the natural world. We are locking arms for our sports and activist communities to apply constant power and grace to saving our home planet. Next is resilience. Resilience shows up through our activism to save our home planet and our goal of turning more people into activists. We are all part of nature and we can all be activists in saving it. A central environmental issue we are focusing on today is protecting the damage happening across our oceans. On World Oceans Day this year, Patagonia launched a global ocean protection campaign. Around the world, Patagonia teams have selected locally led ocean protection projects to support with powerful storytelling, films, events, calls to actions, and grants to grassroots groups. Next is the end of bottom trawling and banning this disastrous fishing practice. The good news is you can all get involved by learning more and taking action to stop this devastating practice across our ocean ecosystem by signing the global petition and taking action in our communities. Together, next is saving our home planet. Not Mars. Our best chance for thriving is right here on Earth. The goal of this artwork was to create a buzz and social conversation ahead of our 50th campaign. The message is symbolic of our beliefs that we work to save our home planet should come before off-Earth exploration and tomfoolery. We are in business to save our home planet, not Mars. So what's next? We started with the question, can a focus on equality help saving the planet? Every decision we made has been based on quality. The health of our people, our communities, and wanting to be in business for the next 100 years from now. Solving the climate crisis will require all of us to stop. So if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. Next is unstoppable. Thank you.